How do you keep your pets safe and fertilize your lawn? I'm Dwayne Smith, your sprinkler warehouse product specialist, and this is Honey, our office dog. Let's talk about pets and fertilizer. Fertilizers, great for plants, awful for dogs. Eating or licking fresh fertilizer can cause vomiting, diarrhea, or other digestive issues. So, how do you fertilize safely if you have pets? Here's some basic principles. First, choose smarter fertilizer options. Some products contain herbicides or other chemicals. Those are definitely not pet safe, so always double check before applying. Organic fertilizers are often safer when used as directed. Even organic fertilizers can attract dogs, especially ones made from fish or bone meal, so don't assume natural means harmless. Seaweed or kelp-based fertilizers are nutrient-rich and usually more pet-friendly, though they might have a strong smell, and dogs may be attracted to the smell. Liquid fertilizers are often a better choice, especially when they're applied properly and allowed to dry. Systems like Easy Flow and Sprinkler Magician take it a step further by applying fertilizer through your irrigation system. That's called fertigation. So you're feeding in small diluted amounts instead of dumping a bunch of granules all over the place. That means less residue sitting on the lawn and less chance for your dog to get into it. Kind of related, if you're doing fertigation, Mosquito Magician has some insect control products made of essential oils that can be applied using a fertigation system or hose sprayers. These products, when used as directed, are considered safe for pets. And bonus, they can also help with fleas and ticks. Second important principle, read the label on your fertilizer. For most fertilizers, it's going to say, keep pets off the lawn until the fertilizer has been watered in and the grass is completely dry. If you're using granular fertilizer, it's going to sit on top of the lawn right after the application. If your dog walks on it, it's going to stick to their paws, which means they might lick it off later, or maybe they'll just lick it off the lawn directly. So you'll need to water it in. Watering moves nutrients down into the soil, so there's less residue right on the surface of the grass, and this makes it much safer for your pets. Most of the time, your pets can be back on the lawn later the same day or within 24 hours, but there are several reasons why you might want to wait a bit longer. So like if you didn't water it in right away, or if it's a product with herbicides like weed and feed, or if you applied a heavier than recommended amount, if your dog likes to eat grass or is always finding something on the ground to eat. In those cases, waiting 48 hours is a safer call. Be sure to store all fertilizer, whether bags or liquids, organic or not, safely out of the reach of your pets. If your dog accidentally eats fertilizer, call your vet immediately or the ASPCA Poison Control at 888-426-4435. Taking these precautions, you can have a beautiful lawn the entire family can enjoy. Buy your fertilizers and everything you need to keep your lawn, plants, and trees healthy and happy on sprinklerwarehouse.com.